I'm Ashwin Bhardwaj, I'm a travel writer and filmmaker from England. And I've just arrived in Estonia, which used to be part of the Soviet Union, but now it's an independent country within the EU. And I'm really excited about exploring this country and learning about its unique mix of culture. We've got Finno-Ugric, as well as some of the heritage from its Russian past.
Definitely seatbelts on, I'd recommend.
I'm here in Soomaa National Park to learn about canoeing the Estonian way. Soomaa National Park is basically the floodplain of the Hallister River, and during the year, whenever there's heavy rainfall or whenever there's snow melting, the river floods and the entire plain is covered in water, and that's what we're going to go canoeing on now. What's amazing is that just a couple of weeks ago, all of this was covered by snow and ice. People were actually out ice skating on the frozen water over in that direction. And now it's about 20 degrees, it's warm, but we're basically going across what is a field. And you can just about see the crops below. It's great, suddenly the whole terrain can be moved across by boat. To be able to go this close to the trees and through the trees in a canoe, it's very unusual. And it's a lovely way to see Soomaa. So I've just arrived in the village of Obinitsa, which is in the region of Setomaa, and I'm here to witness Easter the Estonian way. Why am I colouring in the eggs?
Because tomorrow is Easter Sunday and you need to be equipped because we are going to roll eggs.
I've never been the most creative of people, Helen, I have to be honest. I don't think, am I getting it? This is when it gets serious. You start your egg at the top and it rolls down, and then the aim is to try and hit one of the other eggs that's already there. And if you hit the other egg, you win both eggs. How do I roll the eggs well?
Only good thoughts.
Rural Estonia is gorgeous. There's a real sense of community. People get really involved and engage in the community events and in the holidays. It's absolutely lovely. I've been wonderfully surprised by my time here in Estonia. I had no idea there was such a variety of cultures, of landscapes, activities, of people, and it just means I'm definitely going to have to come back and see more.